Hello and what is up everyone? I hope you're doing well. Today's recipe is meatballs with vegetables. I hope you really like it. And without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you need to boil one large potato and you shouldn't cook it fully. And if you insert a fork, it shouldn't be that soft. This is 1 kilogram of ground meat, and this is 1 small onion, and this is 1/4 cup of parsley, and this is 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sumac. Sumac is optional. And mix all the ingredients together. Now grease a baking tray with olive oil or vegetable oil, and I recommend that you use vegetable oil. Now let's start making the meatballs. As you can see, so easy. Now make sure that every single meatball is covered with oil. And now to the oven. This is the rest of the amount. I'm just gonna show you how you can fry them in a frying pan. Heat vegetable oil and then throw them in the oil. And they're done. Drizzle of olive oil, and this is 1 large onion. And here I'm adding 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Stir them together. And this is chili pepper, and it's very optional if you can't tolerate it. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder and a little bit of turmeric powder. And again, stir it pretty well. This is 1 chopped bell pepper. Now I'm adding a 1/3 cup of frozen peas, and it takes a lot of time to cook, so make sure you cook it pretty well because undercooked peas don't really taste nice. Now this is 300 ml of tomato puree. Add salt and pepper to your taste. And here I'm adding 2.5 cups of plain water. And this is the boiled potatoes that we made previously. And now let everything cook together. Now check the potatoes and the peas and make sure that they are fully cooked. Now this is the best part for me, is adding the meatballs. Let this cook for 7 or 8 minutes. Finally, I'm adding a little bit of coriander. You can use fresh coriander, but unfortunately I just have frozen coriander. And it's done. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you very soon. Bye.